How to remove your YouTube account from other devices. First thing first, open YouTube application. Make sure to log into your YouTube account. Then tap on Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the section, tap on Google account at the top of the screen. Once you open your Google account, you have to scroll and tap on Security. You have to scroll all the way down until you don't see your devices option. Here you can see your devices. Just tap on Manage All Devices option. You have to wait for a while until it gets loaded. Here are the list of devices where your YouTube account has been signed in. So you have to tap on the particular device that you want to remove the YouTube account from. Once you open, just tap on Sign Out button and now tap on Sign Out. So this will remove access to your Google account from the device as well as it will remove your YouTube account from other devices. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.